indoor air quality is important for a healthy home. Pollutants such as dust, pet dander, cigarette smoke, and pollen can irritate the lungs and cause health issues. Air purifiers improve air quality by removing toxins and allergens. In this video, we will cover the main considerations, including type, size, features, price, and maintenance. If you have allergies, look for a purifier that features a HEPA filter or high-efficiency particulate air filter. They are proven to eliminate 99.97% of common allergens like pollen, dust, mites, and mold spores.
Introducing the new Honeywell Top Fill Cool Mist Humidifier. Designed to be easy to fill, use, and clean, this humidifier offers two ways to fill. Use a pitcher to pour water directly into the tank, or at the sink by removing the tank. Perfect for medium to large-sized rooms, it releases visible cool mist, and the variable humidity control knob allows you to customize moisture output. Plus, filter-free technology and wide tank opening make for easy maintenance. For a convenient and effective way to relieve dry air discomfort, try the Honeywell Top Fill Cool Mist Humidifier. For more information or to purchase accessories, visit honeywellpluggedin.com.